Hello everyone, I'm here at the Whole Food Market owned by Amazon and we're going to check it out. And there are a lot of food bars in there, but one of the bar is very interesting. It's called Mediterranean bar. So let's check it out. And here are the containers. There are different types of container. You can fill it up, mix and match, and the price is like per pound. So make sure to subscribe and like this video, and I will bring more videos to you. So make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell, and I'll see you guys next time with another video. Till then, bye bye.